Gun.
Final's clear. I'll line up in the center line is runway 15. Okay, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Hold on.
We're going flying. Stop. Okay.
Approaching runway 15. Entered runway 15. 5,600 feet remaining.
I'll return to outer space. We're in the air. Yes, we're flying. We're up in the air. Oh. The lake is coming up. The lake. Big. I see an animal. Look. On top of the lake. Down, look. Jordan, it looks like we're next to this. I want to touch it. Oh my gosh, we're very high. High in the sky. We're high in the sky. Jordan, look over there. Oh my gosh.
We're going to stay at about 2,000 feet.
We're at 2,000 feet?
Just about.
Are there any parachutes?
No parachute. We'll stay below the clouds. Uh-oh, that's called a bump.
Oh my gosh.
Does that scare you?
It scared me.
What happens is the air gets hot on the ground, and so a little bubble of air comes up and bumps the airplane. There's downtown.
It feels like we're about to crash.
South Main right there, the rodeo grounds. Wind Courts is right up there. There's the old courthouse.
Jordan, are you taking pictures?
You got the back of Jaden's head.
Don't take a picture of the airplane. Not my hair. Oh my gosh, we're near the clouds.
I'll make another circle.
Over there. Take a picture to the right. Or to the left. See houses. I can see a pool. And a trampoline.
Flash station.
Flash station?
There you can see your office. Wind Courts. Kind of under the strut, the wing strut.
Take a picture right here. Right now I can see the eyes. Yeah, take a picture right here. Oh, and I can also see a pool.
Yeah, that's the splash station.
Oh.
No one at work.
You can drive around going 17. Yeah, turn around?
Oh.
No. Okay. Take care. At least move your head. Oh, I can see Mommy's truck. Oh. There. The red one. Can you move? This one?
We're going to hit that Cooke School.
Okay, then do you want to take a
It'll be
picture?
coming up right there.
Take a picture in front. Okay, right there on my side. Oh, there's the house. There move.
Jordan, McGregor traffic, freeway.
Out there.
Or passes west, McGregor.
What street are you on? Front of the school? I like down the street from in front.
Window traffic. Skyhawk 966 Golf, turning downwind.
Can you find your house?
Yeah, I can't see the house. Well, I can't see because of Jay's headphones. Look at my hand.
Turn
Roll
around
forward,
where it'll be on
what the
Jordan's side of the airplane.
Oh, I see it now. Our school or the house? The house.
The house and the school, really.
Hey, Jaden, turn around. I hit my head. Hey, look. Next to the cloud. Look at my
The toll road. There's Cooke School. It's kind of a long way off.
Where?
It's going to be on Jordan's side.
Oh, my
It's over there. You see the water tower with the big C? You got to look kind of out your window to the front of the airplane.
I can see an open field.
Look, and we're not over it yet. I'll tell you when to look straight down.
Oh, Jordan, look, there's some red thing on my side.
Can you see, Jordan? That big open space.
Oh yeah, I see the school.
The white roof is the school.
Yeah.
And then your house.
Take a picture.
Your house is over there somewhere.
Okay. Take a picture of everything that I see. Say forehead. Oh.
We're about to go through a cloud.
Okay.
I really don't really want to go through a cloud.
Yay! We're going through the cloud of Justice League.
We'll find a hole and we'll go up above the clouds. We'll go down to the river and back. There's the airport that we left from.
Oh, that was so cool.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor 2 to the southwest, landing Cleburne. We're going to go downwind, they call it downwind, make a right turn, make another right turn, and land to the south.
And Cleburne traffic, 20 November upwind, 15 Cleburne, watching for the incoming traffic.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, we're about to turn right downwind for 15 full stop Cleburne. Okay, there's a guy should be departing off the runway somewhere. Maybe, I don't know if he's, there he is. Look, right above Cleburne High School.
12 miles to the north at 4,000.
Right above Cleburne High School, it's a little white dot. It's about to go under the strut. It's hard to see.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're safe. Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, right downwind 15 full stop. We've got departing traffic inside no factor Cleburne.
Data traffic 79249, right 360 on your left downwind 17 data. And Cleburne traffic, 20 November, right crosswind, we're number 2.
Hey, we got a guy behind us.
Cleburne traffic, that's 2055, that's about 7 miles out, will come in number 3 for the downwind, 15 Cleburne.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, turning right base for 15 full stop Cleburne. Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, turning final 15 full stop Cleburne.
I forgot that I had a Coke. Oh my god.
Skyhawk 02 Victor, clear of the active on Golf, Cleburne.